In V8 heavyweight, taking second, John Hendricks.
Yeah, it was a blast. Want to thank all the corner workers for putting up with all of us and all the hard work they've had collecting everybody. Want to thank my parents. Had a bunch of friends come out. It was their first track day. Hey, Mark, how you doing, buddy?
Before he finishes, I want you guys to know this guy here, no joke, 4 years ago was 406 pounds.
I appreciate it. Yeah, so
about 4 pounds heavier than I am right now. So,
yeah, so 4 years ago was my first time here. I was 406 pounds, and
what are you now?
243.
That's awesome.
Something like that. So with all that being said, I had to get a new race suit. So thanks to Vo2 Leathers, I had a couple guys from back home, Roadshark Powersports, White's Repair, and Woolsey Morcom Law Firm. And yeah, it's a blast. Can't wait to do it again.
Very
in
nice.
a little tally.
Very nice. Thank you, sir.